Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to unbox and assemble and install and migrate and whatnot the new Mac Mini M4, which is going to replace my Mac Mini M1. Towards the end of the video I'm going to tell considerably more info about the story of this PUA. Let's roll. Right, so in the box there was obviously the device itself, a little bit of rainforest and the power cable, and obviously, as you might know already, the switch on button is on the very bottom of the device, which was not necessarily the wisest idea from Apple. Alright, boys and girls, that was the video about the M4 Mac Mini. I'm not saying it was a test or something or introduction. It does exactly the same as the M1. It cannot do any more or less. It is just faster. Just to tell you some negatives from my point of view. One is it has only USB-C or Thunderbolt ports. You either replace all your existing cables or you buy some sort of dongle or adapter to be able to use your older USB-C cable, or sorry, USB cables. I know it's a first world problem. You can live with it. I do. It's not particularly annoying. Talking about annoying, the other negative I could say is the switch on button, that it's on the bottom. But again, it's not a big deal. Again, a first world problem. I just go there, I lift it slightly, I press the button, computer is on. I was also thinking about what if I put it on the table upside down, because then the switch on button is suddenly on the top and I just press it and then that's it. But as the fan is on the bottom, I suppose the dust could go in easier. I'm not sure, but again, as I said, it's a first world problem. You can easily live with it, just lift, switch on, that's that. Other than that, the plus side, also just to give some ideas if it is worth to replace your M1 to the M4 if you have one. In general, it's faster. How much faster, it's hard to say because it is switching on a little bit faster. Programs are starting up a little bit faster, but the M1 was really fast already. So this one is, you can feel it, you can sense the difference, that it's a bit faster, but it's not crazy long difference or much difference in between the two. Where I can really see it shining, the M4 compared to the M1, is at the rendering of the videos. It's 25% faster. That's a good question, if it is worth the money or the upgrade for the 25%. If you do one video in a while, not really. If you do frequently like I do, then of course every 25% counts. Other than that, why I bought it personally was mainly because I bought a new TV for myself and I used the Mac Mini on a TV. And the TV can do 144 Hz on 4K resolution. And the Mac Mini M1 can do only 60 Hz at 4K resolution. So for me, that was one of the reasons. The other one was the Bluetooth. The Bluetooth is somewhat better on the M4. The range is a bit longer or larger. And also the M1 sometimes cuts off for a second, but then it comes back and then everything carries on. It can be a bit annoying from time to time, but again, you can live with it. But that's a general problem with it was never fixed. Other than that, the only other, let's say, benefit that I realized with the M4 is that when you do a playback within the editing software before rendering, and there is something like sped up, then there is no jitter, there is no delay between the sound and the picture. It plays kind of like nice and smooth. But again, even on the M1, it has no effect on the end result. So after you render the video, this issue is not visible in the video whatsoever. It's only at the playback within the editing tool. Again, another first world problem. It makes life a bit more comfortable, but it's not something that you cannot live without. Other than that, I can hands-on heart recommend. It's a good machine. For me, it was worth the upgrade. Maybe it's not for everyone. Yeah. Other than that, that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.